Hello guys, this project that you watch now is the project of my fold-away kitchen cabinets. Like I mentioned in the last video, in this apartment there was no place where to cook, but also they are very small here in Thailand. The space was only between the sink and the fridge. So I decided to build a small cabinet that I can use to cook and also to make the video. The dimension is 31 for 58 centimeter, because this is the space that I have here. But when you open it, is 58 for 92, enough for a place to cut the things and to cook everything together. And naturally, the higher is the same of the sink that I have here. So now let's see the intro, and after the intro let's build this fold-away kitchen cabinet. Okay, we have cut 16 pieces, long 58 and large 4 centimeter. Now we will put 14 together, and 2 we will use to keep all the other 14 together. Now with the screw driver, I will make 14 holes on this and 14 on this one. After we put the glue to glue all the pieces together, and to be sure that they don't move, we will use the driver. So 14 here and 14 on the other one. After, we should wait that the glue become dry, and our dashboard will be ready. Okay, our top is ready. Now I put here apart, waiting that dry. And I already prepared the legs, the bottom, and also other pieces. Now I join everything together. After I add the tire, red Ferrari, rosso Ferrari. In this way we will go faster. Okay. At the end I decided to add another shelf in the middle. One advice: if you put a shelf in the middle, don't glue it with a glue. Don't use the glue here. Only put the nails, hold the screw. In this way, if you decide to move the shelf, you can move it without problem. Now we add our table here, and we add the leg to keep the table open. See you at the end of the video. Spectacular smell. Okay guys, like you have noticed, the stove worked perfectly, everything is okay. So before that I drink my coffee, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. If you are already subscribed, click on the bell. In this way, every time that I upload a video, you will receive a notification. Remember to share this video with your friends, to watch all the other videos. For any question, any request, any advice, down in the comment. Bye bye.